Hey y'all, it's Kyra. Welcome back to another clean with me. So tonight I had a bunch of things to clean, primarily the kitchen and then just a couple miscellaneous areas. We had made some fried oyster mushrooms and some home fries, which were so good. I needed to straighten up Kyrie's room. He had a couple stains on his carpet that I wanted to spot clean, and then just like general laundry. I normally do not like cleaning at nighttime because I think that there's something special about, cleaning first thing in the morning and, you go through your day and everything's clean and tidy. But I actually wanted to get to the gym really early on Saturday morning. So I told myself that I would just try to get all my cleaning done Friday night while everybody's in bed. So yeah, right here, I'm just making those fried oyster mushrooms. These are so good. I literally just make them basically how you would make like fried chicken. You just batter them and then fry them in grapeseed oil. And then for the home fries, we just cut up some russet potatoes into wedges, season them, and put them on the oven. So pretty much we're done with dinner. Malik's getting Kyrie ready for bed. I got his night clothes on, and then I get started. So I'm going to put some music on. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I'll pop in and talk to you in a little bit. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
It's for somebody special. Yeah. Can't wait it out tonight. Baby, you special. Can't wait it out tonight. Yeah. Can't believe it's so. Yeah. 20 nights been sober. Baba don't lose composure. Yeah. Girl, my champion lover. Would you wait for me, girl? Yeah. Cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you. Coach, yeah, give me coach. Yeah, yeah, to get me back to you. Yeah, nah. Yeah, to get me back to you. And not deny it's a cos. And if God is my witness, now you be my weakness. My no be boss. See Oluwa don't bless me. Not true, no be ghost ride. If they say I didn't listen, baby, you're the one that I'm missing, girl. And my darling, would you wait for me, girl? Yeah, cause now you did cross my mind. Would you wait for me, girl? I know, ain't no distance, ain't no time to get me back to you.
So on the stove, I went in with some hot soapy water first, and then I used the method, like the heavy duty degreaser. Now, I would say that it works pretty good. Like, I definitely think that it gets it clean, but I really think that I need to look into like a heavier cleaner to get like some of the tough stains out, because what you guys can't see on camera, like there's some heavy duty grease marks that I just feel like no matter how much I clean them, they don't seem to be lifting, like especially on the burners themselves. I honestly am new to the gas stove. I've never had one before we moved here, so I do believe that I can take off the caps, like where the burner is, and then also like the little dials. I think I can take those off and clean them. I just haven't yet. But like even with these burner covers or whatever they're called, when I'm cleaning them, like they get clean, but I just feel like that there's like a level of buildup that I really want to get off. And it's like grease, and I don't know, like I really want to find like a good cleaner to clean those. So if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know.
어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어. 너 어린아이 같아. 넌 아직까지 마음이 넌 아파. I'm feeling lonely. Something about you make me feel insecure, baby. Something about you, girl. Stay here right by my side. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone. Feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love and rewind, oh. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love and rewind, baby. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind. Tell me what's going on now. Man, I've been switching lanes all the time 오는 내 AKA I'm just on an edge hanging man. 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야 이런 모든 감정들이 up and down, yeah. And the times in and out I can say what I wanna know. The time too far to listen now. Tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone. I feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love and rewind, oh. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love and rewind, baby. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what's going on my mind, baby. Cause I love and rewind, oh. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love and rewind, baby. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind. Tell me what's going on now.
So now I'm cleaning Kyrie's bathroom. It really does not take me long to clean his bathroom because most of the time I'm just spot cleaning. No one ever really uses this bathroom. The only person that really does use it is Kyrie, and he takes baths in here all the time. He'll be 2 next month in November, so he's not even tall enough to use the sink yet. But I still like to make sure, of course, that I wipe down the sink and disinfect and all of that good stuff. And then, of course, after I finish the tub, I always go in and just clean the toilet out. Because like I said, no one really ever uses this bathroom, but on the occasion that one of us has to use the other bathroom, we will come in here to use this one. Moving on to Kyrie's bedroom. Honestly, not much to do in here. Just put his toys back and wait for him to destroy it all again tomorrow. It's like, no, but it's so funny. Like, sometimes I have to ask myself, like, are you being crazy? Because, like, he will be in his room playing and there will be toys everywhere. And I'm, like, going behind him trying to clean up the toys. And it's, like, a never-ending cycle because as soon as I clean up toys, he just throws them right back out again. But yeah, I did see that he had spilled something on his rug. I think it was like applesauce or something. So I tried to spot clean it. It came out pretty good. I was actually really impressed with this cleaner. I think it's by Woolite. But ultimately, I do think I am going to go ahead and try to get like an upholstery cleaning done. And then like maybe we don't have carpet, but like maybe like a rug cleaning, something before the winter time, before it really gets cold outside, just to kind of, give us a refresh. Or I actually might wait until this spring. I'm not sure. But I really like this rug in his room, and I don't want to just get a new one because of stains. So I'm definitely going to have to get it cleaned. And then I just go in and wipe down some of his toys. I can be honest, I really don't do this every single time that I clean his room. But for the most part, like if I'm doing a more intense cleaning, kind of like now, and by intense, I mean just like vacuuming and all that, because I don't do that every day. Most of the time, I just kind of put toys away. But I do like to wipe down the surfaces of some of the toys that I know he uses a lot. He's really the only person in here besides us, but I just think it's just good to, give them a wipe down every now and then. So after I finished the last couple towels that I needed to fold, I really started to feel the effects. I was really tired. It was like 12:30 at night, and I wanted to just wait until the morning to finish everything, but I was like, let me just go ahead and knock this out. So I finished off by mopping, and I always try to make sure that I keep the floors clean, just because, like, with food dropping on them or like drinks or whatever, we don't wear shoes in the house, but still, they still get dirty even without having shoes on. So after I finished mopping, I took a shower, and then I just crashed because I was so tired. But yeah, so that's the end of this video. I will catch you guys on the next one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. The sweetest. It might be too early.